Auto fit. So again, the messy spreadsheet, we see it all the time. Somebody sends this out to the field force, and there's all of these kind of like things here, stuff's too big, stuff's off the page. And, when you put numbers, cram them too close, they turn into X's. It's kind of like, what is this? And so a great little best practice that I have is the second I get in a spreadsheet and I go, yuck, right? Or I've yucked it up myself. I click in the upper right left-hand corner to highlight all. Just one click, we've highlighted the whole spreadsheet. And we can format the entire spreadsheet by just going up to this top column designators where the column letters are and double clicking on any juncture in between two fields. So watch this snap into place at my command, click, click, bang. I love it. Now it's at least reasonably formatted to the size of the headers. That's not always exactly what you want, but it is a really fast way to do a quick format.